Today we make scary zombie muffins with hands that look like they come from the earth. So, let's begin. Here's what you're gonna need. For the muffin batter, butter, sugar, an egg, vanilla sugar, a bit of natron, a pinch of salt, flour, sour cream, cacao powder, and cappuccino. For the icing you're also gonna need chocolate glaze and additional cacao powder. And for the fingers, marzipan and almonds. To start things off, we are gonna whisk the sugar and the butter till we get something that is uniform. If you can, try to whisk it a bit by hand before, otherwise you might lose some of the sugar in the process. And after that, add the vanilla sugar and the egg and whisk again. Now mix all the remaining dry ingredients, flour, cacao powder, baking soda and salt, and add them slowly in parts to our batter, alternating with the sour cream. And after you finish mixing that, you can just add the coffee. Whisk that again and you're finally finished with the batter. Portion the dough into the muffin forms and put the muffins in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now prepare your chocolate icing by warming it up. You can also start to make the zombie fingers that will come out of the muffins. First, you form a kind of sausage shape from a bit of marzipan. Try to make your fingers really finger-shaped and not too big, otherwise they won't hold well. Then bend your finger a little and give it a few wrinkles using a knife. Finally, add an almond as a fingernail. When your muffins are out of the oven and cooled up a bit, you may add the chocolate icing together with a generous sprinkle of cacao powder to give your muffins a more graveyard dirt look. And after that, put on the marzipan fingers using toothpicks or something similar to hold them in place. But that's it, our chocolate muffins are finished. And I can say with confidence that they not only look very delicious, but also taste very good. Especially the light coffee note gives them an unforgettable taste. You should really try to make them yourself. But before doing that, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You can also check out my other videos and also my recent video where I made pumpkin soup.